Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. Now in this video we will continue our lecture which I have discussed in your last lecture, which is nothing but the electric energy of an electrical circuit. Okay, so here we will find out the expression for the electric energy and heat and the electric power. Okay, so first of all we consider an electrical circuit in which we have a wire will have a wire whose resistance is nothing but is capital R. Suppose this is a wire, okay, and we have a battery like this, whose potential difference is nothing but is V and current is I. Then, and the resistance of this wire is capital R. So first thing is nothing but electric energy. Here, what do you mean by the electric energy? So when you connect a metallic wire to a battery, then battery will do some work to flow the electrons in the overall circuit, and this work done is possible only if and only if when the battery have some energy. ओके, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पर कि जैसे ही आप किसी वायर को बैटरी से कनेक्ट करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का फ्लो होगा, और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को फ्लो बनाए रखने के लिए बैटरी को कुछ ना कुछ वर्क करना होगा. उस वर्क के लिए आपको कुछ एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. वो एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलेगी? वो एनर्जी आपको मिलेगी सोर्स से. तो सोर्स से जो एनर्जी आपको मिलेगी वही एनर्जी आपकी क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. और ये इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी आपकी किसके इक्वल है? वर्क डन के. तो यहाँ पर जो वर्क डन किया गया बैटरी द्वारा वही आपका क्या है? एनर्जी है. सपोज़ करते हैं कि यहाँ पर आप देखें कि आपने एक रिलेशन पढ़ा था वर्क डन और पोटेंशियल के बीच, V इक्वल्स टू W by Q. We know that if the potential difference is V and work done by the battery is W and the amount of flow of charge is Q, and here Q is the amount of the electric charge. Okay, but here the charge flow continuously. So we will consider a time, particular time, okay, for which we want to find out the amount of the electric charge. तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर ये कंसिडर करेंगे कि आपको कितने टाइम में वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करना है. तो उस टाइम में हमें यहाँ पर फिर क्या निकालना होगा? कितना चार्ज आपका फ्लो हुआ. दैट इज इम्प्लाइज दैट W equals to QV. If this amount of charge flow in time t, then electric current will be Q by T. Implies that Q equals to IT. So W is nothing but QV equals to VIT, but since V equals to IR, then W equals to QV इक्वल्स टू वी आई टी इक्वल्स टू आई स्क्वायर आर इंटू टी। यदि हम यहाँ पर v की वैल्यू पुट कर दे तो आई स्क्वायर इंटू आर इंटू टी हो जाएगा। अब यहाँ से यदि i की वैल्यू पुट कर दी जाए तो v अपॉन आर, दैट मीन्स वी स्क्वायर अपॉन आर इंटू टी। और यदि यहाँ पर वो तो तीनों ही फॉर्म आ गए आपकी, एक बार आपने r को हटाया, एक बार v को हटाया, एक बार i को हटाया, ठीक है। which is work done by battery to flow electric charge in the circuit in time t, which is nothing but the electric energy. So it is nothing but the energy loss of battery. क्यों v इक्वल्स टू वी आई टी इक्वल्स टू आई स्क्वायर आर इंटू टी इक्वल्स टू वी स्क्वायर अपॉन आर इंटू टी। एंड यू नो वेरी वेल ऑल थिंग्स आर in joule or in SI system, then the unit of the work done or energy will be joule. So take here joule. Okay, now second thing is heat. Second thing is heat. Since this electric energy used in terms of losses, in terms of heat in a wire. So heat is nothing but Q equals to W by 4.2 calorie. Since 1 joule equals to 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule approximately. So 1 joule will be equals to 1 by 4.2 calorie. That is, this will becomes and QV by 4.2 equals to VIT by 4.2 equals to I square RT by 4.2 equals to V square V square by R into T calorie. Okay, this is the heat is here represented by capital H, because capital Q represents the amount of electric charge. So this is the required expression for the heat. Okay, now next thing is power. You know very well, power is nothing but is defined as the rate of loss of electrical energy per unit time. The rate of loss of electric energy is known as पावर। और ये भी कह सकते हैं द रेट ऑफ कंजप्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी। इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल P, okay, that is P equals to W by T and implies that W equals to VI equals to I square R equals to V square by R, and unit of SI unit of power is volt ampere or watt, okay. So remember this these formulas। तो ये जो टॉपिक्स है मैंने आपको बड़ी डायरेक्टली कराया, ज़्यादा डिटेल में बताने की कोशिश नहीं किया क्योंकि आपने 10th लेवल पर आपने काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा, तो सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको ये कराए गए हैं, इसलिए इन फार्मूलाज़ को आप याद कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो चलिए इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं एक अनदर थिंग की जो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, आपने पढ़ा भी होगा, किलोवाट घंटा। दैट मीन्स KWH 1 kilowatt hours, okay, which is nothing but, you know very well, it's known as also unit, which is the commercial unit of the electrical energy, and it's the very big unit of the electrical energy, because joule is a very small unit of the electrical energy as a point of view of the daily life, okay. So I think you know very well about the 1 kilowatt hour or unit, okay. 1 kilowatt hours means 1 kilowatt hours means 1 into 10 to the power 3 watt and multiply by 60 multiply by 60 in second, and you know value is 6 6 ja 36 and 00 multiply by 10 to the power 3 watt second. This is nothing but 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second is nothing but the unit of the work or energy, which is nothing but joule. So it's a very big unit of the energy which is used in daily life to measure the electrical energy used in the homes, okay. So remember this thing, and the formula to calculate the number of units is nothing but total watt multiply by total days multiply by total hours and divided by 1000. 1000 is taken only for this part, total watt, to make its kilowatt, to convert its kilowatt, because here is nothing but kilowatt hours. Hours is hours, total hours. How many days used this thing? Suppose in a one day you used this instrument for 5 days, there is 5 days, and the number of days what is, so multiply by that thing. So total number of hours comes here, and the what is the power of this instrument? Suppose 20 watt, then here we have requirement of kilowatt, so we will divide by 100 to convert it into kilowatt. Okay, so it's a formula to calculate the number of units consumed by the peoples in your daily life. Okay, so revise these formulas, but because these formulas we will use in the numericals. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and after this topic, this part of the electric current or electricity is finished. Now after that we will start your interesting part of this unit is electrical circuits. Okay, in which we discuss about the we will discuss about the cells, and then the some electrical circuits like that Whitestone bridge. Okay, so see the videos very carefully. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you for watching this video.